In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a normal photo into a beautiful black and white artistic sketch using AI for free. The goal is to transform a photo into a high-contrast hand-drawn sketch, combining clean vector-style line art with fine charcoal shading, all in pure black and white, while keeping the person's exact likeness intact. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, go to gemini.google.com. Once the page loads, click on the plus icon and select Upload Files to upload the photo you want to convert into a sketch. I'll locate the image on my computer, select it, and upload it. All right, perfect. Now that the image is attached, we need to tell Gemini AI exactly how we want the sketch to look. This is where the prompt is very important. For this tutorial, we're using a prompt designed specifically for a black and white artistic sketch. It instructs the AI to use minimalist vector line art for the main outlines, textured charcoal shading for facial features and hair, and a purely monochrome style on a clean white background without changing the subject's identity. I've added this exact prompt in the video description. Simply copy it and paste it into Gemini along with the uploaded image. Once that's done, click Submit and allow Gemini AI some time to process the image. This may take a short while, so just be patient. All right, it's done. As you can see, the photo has been transformed into a stunning black and white sketch. The outlines are clean and precise, the shading looks hand-drawn, and the likeness of the subject is perfectly preserved. Let's go ahead and download the final image. Now, I'll open the original photo and the sketch version side by side. You can clearly see the difference. This looks like a professional pencil and charcoal artwork created from a simple photo. And that's it. You've successfully converted a photo into a high-quality black and white artistic sketch, completely free.